Plenty food out here I could get. But I need time. I can make spear. To hunt.
Why don't you go and do it now, then? Stop whinging about it.
You bloody white people. Take me from my family. Say you be like white boy now. You don't hunt, don't do ceremony. That's bad way. You do it white fella way. White fella way is shit way. Now I got nothing.
Poor you.
No, not poor me. Bastard England.
You think you're the only one with problems? I've looked after myself since I was a kid. Never knew me father. Me mother worked herself to an early grave. I lived on the streets, stole what I could to survive, and now I'm here, at the arse end of the world, with you. Welcome to the world, boy. Full of misery from top to bottom.
I'm not your boy. I'm Mangana, the blackbird. I'm Letter Amarena man. I'm not God save the king like them white bastards sing. I'm Mina Mangana Binika Witikita Trula. Mina Mangana Binika
Stop it!
Witikita Trula.
Sounds bloody awful!
My brothers, my father, my uncles. All them dead. Them white fella shot them all in front of me when I was a kid. My mother, my aunties, all them run away. Never seen them again. Them white fella take me far from my family. Chain me, beat me. Say you be like white boy now. I don't never want to be like white boy. Not now, not ever. That big boss you're following, he's the worst one. He make me take him to black fella, then he shoot the black fella. I'm not working for no bloody white fella no more. I'm gonna go up north, gonna find my mother, my aunties. Go back home, to my country. So you can't hurt me no more.
What do you mean, me? I didn't hurt your family. I didn't do anything.
You England.
I'm not England. I'm Ireland.
You bloody England!
I'm Ireland! Ijig Jowlgach Sasnach, Gak Mach Mahrakub, Machal na Bullagi Arab, and Hui Kunan Arab, Eden Gebrach.
You Ireland?
Yes, I'm Ireland, you fool. I frickin' hate the English. I'm Ireland.
Bloody white people.
Shemaling Gernak Veckim, Mormin Yon Yak Shakten, Ari Kroger Smear Gaski, Egg Fogert van Ergaljev, O Roshi the Vahawalya, O Roshi the Vahawalya, O Roshi the Vahawalya. And nish hooked on Tauri.